of Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is an amazing celebration that is celebrated by Muslims worldwide, which marks the end of Ramadan. Now, as you can see directly behind me is a group of people preparing for morning namaz. Namaz is the Persian word for prayer. And what's very unique about these prayers for Eid al-Fitr is that they must be done in a huge assembly. As you can see behind me, people have gathered together and they are about to pray.
After a month of fasting, prayer and almsgiving, Muslims all around the world will welcome the end of Ramadan with Eid al-Fitr celebrations. Eid al-Fitr, which means Festival of Breaking the Fast, is a traditional Muslim festival. The holiday marks a moment of giving thanks and reflecting on completing a month-long fast. Muslims are not allowed to fast on the Eid day.
فطر به معنای شکفته شدن و به معنای بیرون آمدن از قالبی رو که تعیین شده برای بندگی، برای خودسازی، برای خداشناسی. انسان وقتی که بعد از 30 روز بندگی و عبادت از این قالب خارج میشه، اون روز فطر است، روز شکوفا شدن است. حضوری که مردم با شادی و نشاط بعد از 1 ماه بندگی امروز میان تا برای گرفتن مزد، برای گرفتن پاداش.
In most Islamic countries, the Eid al-Fitr prayers are led by the country's religious leaders. Every year, the leader of the Islamic Revolution of Iran, Sayyid Ali Khamenei, leads the Eid al-Fitr prayers from Musalla Tehran. Musalla was built in 1982 and can capacitate millions of people. People from all over Iran partake in the morning prayers.
ما والا دیشب اینجا اومدیم خوابیدیم، راهمون دور، مسافرم بودیم، حداقل 1000 کیلومتر راه اومدیم فقط به خاطر این عید تو جمع مسلمین باشیم، تو جمع مردم باشیم. این بهترین عید مسلمانان جهانه.
Now, what's very unique about Eid al-Fitr is it has a particular salat. Salat is an Islamic prayer. And the salat for Eid al-Fitr consists of 2 parts. And the 2 parts basically take place in an open congregation. Now, Eid means celebration. So stick with us. After the morning prayers, I'm going to take you guys to a wonderful celebration.
من اولین سالم بود که روزه گرفتم. اولین سالی که روزه گرفتم حس می‌کردم که به خدا بیشتر نزدیک شدم. حس می‌کردم امسال دیگه میتونم هر چی تو دلمه به خدا بگم. بعد واسه عید فطر اومدیم اینجا، ما دست میگیریم، شادی میکنیم. احساس خوشحالی که تونستیم 1 ماه کامل روزه بگیریم، به خاطر اینکه تونستم همه روزه‌امو بگیرم.
Well, like I stated, it is the end of Ramadan, it is Eid al-Fitr, and it is a celebration and joyous time. What we're going to do now is we're going to look at a bunch of young girls who are celebrating Eid al-Fitr for the first time. And what do I mean by that? These young girls have taken part in fasting for the first time. It's the first time they've experienced the holiest of holy months of Ramadan.
Watching the children's faces light up as they celebrate their first Eid al-Fitr was terrific, but seeing the proud parents was even better. The celebration for the children is taking place for the first time this year also. Like I previously stated, Eid al-Fitr is one of the most important religious events for Muslims worldwide. And what a better way to bring your children closer to God than an event like this. There were over 1,000 proud Iranian families at this gala event.
دختران عزیزی که توی این جشن شرکت کردن بچه‌های 9 یا 10 ساله‌ای هستند که برای اولین بار 1 ماه کامل در ماه مبارک رمضان روزه هاشون رو کامل گرفتن و خب می‌خوایم در پایان این ماه مبارک یک جشن با شکوهی رو براشون بگیریم و بهشون تبریک بگیم که مکلف شدید، بزرگ شدید و انگار یک سال نوئی رو شروع کردن. امروز سال نو بچه‌های پاکیه که 1 ماه عبادت و بندگی کردن. امروز روز اول سالشون است.
As night falls upon Tehran, the city is aglow as people celebrate all over this magnificent metropolis, giving thanks to God for all He has done for us, for His mercifulness and His compassion. For the one and only Iran program, I am Reza Nayabi. People, Eidatun Mubarak.